Breathing exercises is good for health.
Uh-oh. Strange.
It feels so nice.
Uh-oh. What?
So hot.
Here is some water for you.
Thank you very much.
Uh-oh. It's gotten very cold in here. I have an idea.
Tasty. Nom, 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 nom.
What is it? Oh! Oh no! Wow. Cool! Stop shining the light on me. Let's go. So funny. Wow.
The baby is kicking.
Yeah!
Wow, she's so active.
Wow.
Uh-oh.
It's time to pack my things. Bye-bye, little tummy. Let's go! Yippee!
Uh-oh.
What's happened?
The baby is coming.
I have an idea.
Hello? Is this the hospital? We're already on our way. On our way.
Phew.
Let's go!
The baby has been born.
Hooray! I have an idea. Wow!
Hooray!
Phew.
I don't want to brush my teeth. K-pop superpowers!
Wow!
Still, you have to brush your teeth. Otherwise, they'll start to ache. Well done! This is good. What a mess! I really don't feel like cleaning up. I have an idea! K-pop superpower! Hooray! This is my task. And now I need to vacuum here. Then I need to do a wet cleaning and wipe everything down. Hooray! What's happened? I lost my toy. K-pop superpower. Yeah! What should we do? Mia, is this your toy? No! It's not here. Interesting. And it's not here either. Where is it? Let's see. No! Aha! Look! Is this your toy? Yes! It's for you. Thank you very much. Hooray! This is good! Homework again. I don't want to study. You have to do your homework to be smart. I figured it out. K-pop superpower!
I brought you a healthy food.
Oh no!
These are vitamins. They are good for your health.
I have an idea. K-pop superpower. I love eating fresh vegetables and fruits. Nice. I love drinking smoothies. So funny! Oh no! Uh-oh! What's happened? My balloon is stuck. Hooray! I will help. I have an idea. K-pop superpower. Let's go! The balloon is too high. Go up. Well done! It's for you. Wow, thank you very much. Don't get discouraged. You need to be like a superhero.
Yeah!
Uh-oh.
This is good. Uh-oh. Yeah!
Oh no. Uh-oh, what should we do?
Uh-oh. It's too big. No!
It's not good.
What? Oh no! Let's go!
It's too big. I need superpower.
Very big. Uh-oh. Where is the rest? I need superpower. Let's go. So happy.
What should we do?
I have an idea. I'm strong. So happy.
I will help. Let's go.
Ouch. Yeah.
Oh no. No, Jungkook.
I need superpower. No. Look. This is good. Nice. Hey.
Mary.
Cool.
eaten after the meal.
Okay.
Wow!
Beautiful.
Yippee! You should eat at the table. Okay. Well done!
It's healthy food. No! Show me your hands. My crops! You must wash your hands before eating.
Let's go! Wash your hands. Well done. Stop! You have to eat with a fork and a spoon. Okay. Tasty. Stop it! Look! You should not eat off the floor. Take a clean fork. Okay. Oh no! What should we do?
I will help. Oh no! You should wipe stains with a napkin, not your dress.
Thank you very much. So funny.
Stop it! It's not good. You can't play at the table.
Come to me. Wow.
Tasty.
Yucky.
Be careful, it's wobbly.
Uh-oh. Oh, no!
Oh, my tummy's growling.
Me too.
Let's order something yummy.
Hooray!
Bring burgers, hot dog, pizza, hurry up.
We'll eat yummy food.
Yummy is here.
Hello.
Thank you very much.
Yay! Yummies!
Yummy, yummy. Wow. Delicious. Yeah! Yummy.
Yummy, yummy!
Tasty. Delicious. What's happened?
What? I turned into a burger?
Uh-oh. I'm a pizza plane. Jump, jump. Wow. I'm a hot dog.
I'm a burger disco!
And I'm a pizza plane. Dance, dance, dance. Yippee!
I'm so tired. What? I can't fit.
Interesting.
Phew.
Oh, I'm falling like a piece that's not held right.
Yippee!
Woohoo!
Mom, look what happened! This is so uncomfortable.
Maya. Mia.
I have an idea. Follow me.
Yeah!
Follow me. Who's first?
Hooray!
comfortable.
Let's go!
Wow!
Hooray! Unbelievable! I'm not a pizza plane anymore. I'm a girl. Yay!
Ouch!
Wow! That's much better.
Hooray!
Girls,
Tasty!
smoothies.
Delicious! Yummy!
It's very healthy. This is good.
How refreshing!
This cream is really great. Lollipop is my best friend.
It's gold.
Maya turned into ice cream.
Unbelievable!
Wow! Strange.
Wow, I am an ice cream. How cool!
Oh, I'm so fluffy and soft like a pie.
Dance, dance, dance!
So funny.
We love to dance.
No!
So hot. Oh no, I'm melting. Phew. It's not good. I'm too big. I don't fit in the fridge.
Uh-oh. Ouch! Strange. Uh-oh.
It's dangerous.
Please fly to the suite. I have problems.
Hello? What's happened? Is this some kind of new trend?
No, we ate too much sweets and turned into sweets ourselves. Uh-oh.
What should we do?
I know what you should do. You need to balance your diet. Fruits are healthy food that should help you.
Please give it to us.
We want to turn back into normal people.
Huh, it's not that simple. First, you need to pass some tests.
That's it. I'm tired.
Oh, honey. It's for you. Stand up.
Thank you very much. It's healthy food. This is good.
Well done!
I'm ready. Yippee!
Phew.
I have an idea. Let's try this one.
Well done!
So hot. I have an idea. I'm great. This is my task.
Wow!
Well done! This is what a healthy lifestyle means. Remember, sweets are delicious, but if you eat too many of them, it can cause trouble.
Wow!
What is it?
It's an ice cream shop.
Take it.
Surprise!
Wow!
Hooray! Yippee!
Let's make a picnic. Cool. A big box of ice cream. Uh-oh. Too much ice cream. I'm fat now.
No, 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 no!
Give me more ice cream. I'm fat too.
Maya!
Oh no! Me too!
I have an idea. Come on!
Okay.
It's so hard.
Oh, no!
I have a very big belly. It's not funny at all.
Mia!
I have an idea.
What?
Let's do exercises. Yippee! Hooray!
Aha! Do like me.
Wow!
What? Cool.
Wait a second.
Yahoo! It helps.
This is good. No, 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 no.